My name is Paul Hessen. I'm with the HydroThrift Corporation, and we're at the Compressed Air Best Practices Expo here in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, and we're talking about the PCX liquid-to-liquid cooling system. So many times large companies have water-cooled air compressors, and they use open tower water to do the cooling on the air compressors. The problem with that is that the water in open towers is very mineral laden and can sometimes be quite dirty. When that mineral laden water hits the air compressor cooling surfaces, which are sometimes around 300 degrees, any mineral content in that water will plate out as what's called lime or scale. And it will foul those heat exchangers to the point that the compressor will start overheating. And it'll have to be rebuilt and cleaned and everything. So what we've designed is a liquid-to-liquid cooling system that on one side will use the dirty tower water of the heat exchanger. On the other side, to the air compressor, will circulate a glycol water solution, which is non-fouling, non-scaling, and non-freezing. What that does is it limits the contamination point for the dirty tower water to one location rather than several locations in the air compressor. The other thing that it does is it actually reduces the amount of fouling because the surface temperatures in these heat exchangers are 85 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, whereas in a compressor it's 300 degrees Fahrenheit. At 85 or 90 degrees, the mineral content in the water doesn't have a chance to plate out and foul the heat exchanger. So actually your heat exchanger, your air compressor will run much longer without fouling or scaling. This product was introduced in 1989. We have teamed up with several large OEMs of air compressors. We build directly for them, but we also will build for end users that already have existing equipment that they're having trouble with. So we'll go in, we'll look at the application, we'll make suggestions, and come to some sort of determination about what the best product is. It might not be this PCX cooling system. It might be a different type, either a dry type cooling system or a closed loop evaporative system. It can be any kind of water-cooled equipment that's prone to fouling or scaling or plugging up.